Welcome back to The Explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled you're here today because we're tackling something incredibly foundational. And listen, as we go through this, I really want you to think of me as your guide, kind of like your personal mentor as we walk through all this together. So let's just dive right in. Today, we're looking at the absolute bedrock of financial creation by unpacking a core concept from our source text, the blueprint for building wealth from ground zero. Now, if you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by the sheer idea of creating financial stability from scratch, well, you're in the exact right place, because by the end of this explainer, you aren't just going to have a bunch of high-level theory. You're going to walk away with a concrete, totally actionable plan, complete with daily habits and a step-by-step checklist that you can literally start executing today.
So, where exactly do you build when you have absolutely nothing? Man, that is a heavy question, isn't it? As a student of wealth building, standing right at the very beginning of this journey can feel, well, incredibly daunting. It's like you're staring up at this massive mountain in your pockets, they're completely empty. But I want you to take a deep breath here, because honestly, just acknowledging that daunting feeling is actually your very first step. The answer to this question isn't some massive lucky windfall. The real answer is found in the tiny, consistent daily habits we establish when our pockets are empty. We aren't starting halfway up the mountain today. We're starting right here on the flat, completely empty ground.
You know, there's actually an incredible power in that specific number 0. Society constantly conditions us to look at 0 as a failure, right? Like it's a terrifying deficit or a massive source of anxiety. But the framework we're digging into today challenges us to reframe that completely. 0 is absolutely not a penalty box. It is a perfectly clean slate. Think about an entrepreneur who starts with absolutely nothing. They walk into a public library, log onto the free internet, and just start learning a high-income skill like copywriting or coding. Sure, they didn't have capital, but they had a clean slate. When you're at 0, you don't have any messy financial architecture to tear down. There are no faulty foundations to fix. You just have open, raw space.
And that brings us to the core terminology of our source material today, ground zero. It's defined as the primary, foundational starting point where the wealth-building process begins from an entirely clean slate. Let's use a super simple analogy here. Think about constructing a giant skyscraper. You don't just walk out into a grassy field and immediately start welding steel beams into the sky, right? No way. You have to dig deep into the earth first. You've got to clear the dirt, move the heavy rocks, and haul away all the debris long before you can even think about pouring a solid concrete foundation. Well, at ground zero, clearing that debris translates directly into real, actionable steps. It means ruthlessly auditing your time, cutting out those toxic spending habits, and actively educating yourself financially. It's unglamorous work, for sure, but it is absolutely vital.
If I had to build wealth from $0, I'd start here. I absolutely love the bold clarity of that statement from our source text. This exact quote is the ultimate anchor. It's the definitive starting line for our entire wealth-building blueprint. Starting here means leveraging literally the only real asset you have when you're at 0, which is your time and your effort. Let's look at a really concrete case study of a side hustle that costs exactly $0 to launch, service arbitrage. You basically find local businesses that have outdated websites. You use free outreach tools to pitch them a fresh redesign, and then you outsource the actual work to a talented freelancer for less than what the business is paying you. You're bridging a real financial gap using absolutely nothing but your own hustle and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, the journey from 0 to a completed blueprint of actual wealth is immense. It's huge. But the gap between your raw starting foundation and that completed skyscraper is bridged by executing very clear, specific financial steps. You don't just magically teleport across that gap. You build the bridge by taking the profits from that first $0 side hustle we just talked about, and, here's the key, instead of spending them, you reinvest them. You use that initial cash flow to buy better tools, run low-cost ads, or maybe acquire a new skill that raises your hourly value. You are systematically converting your time into cash and then turning that cash into compounding assets. To actually execute all of this, we really need to understand the true nature of the blueprint. Because a real blueprint doesn't just vaguely suggest ideas, right? It dictates step-by-step actions. So let's switch into strict coaching mode for a second. Here is your concrete checklist for the first 30 days. Days 1 through 5. You're going to track every single hour of your day to identify and eliminate wasted time. Day 6 to 15, you launch that $0 side hustle, committing to sending 50 cold outreach messages every single day. Day 16 through 30, you secure your first client, bank your first real profit, and immediately map out exactly how to reinvest it. Listen, you don't need to worry about the penthouse suite yet. Your only job right now is following this exact sequence to build that foundation.
Which brings us right back to these two vital words from our source text. Start here.
Not start over there, and definitely not start when you finally have $1,000 saved up. No, start here, at zero. Accepting this exact starting line is honestly the most profound mindset shift you can make right now, because it demands immediate execution. Starting here means literally executing day one of that 30-day checklist the moment this explainer ends. It means totally committing to the daily habits required to fuel your side hustle, rather than just daydreaming about the finished skyscraper. It's a deeply empowering command, really, because it gives you absolute permission to begin exactly where you stand, using exactly what you have.
So as we wrap up today's explainer, I really want to leave you with this final, somewhat provocative thought. Are you ready to clear the dirt and lay your foundation today? Building wealth isn't magic, it's architecture. And you now have the exact tools required to build: a solid understanding of the power of daily habits, a proven $0 side hustle case study, and a totally concrete 30-day checklist. By just embracing your clean slate at zero, you've actually already taken the most difficult step. So keep this blueprint in your mind, trust the process, and get ready to start building. I seriously can't wait to see what you construct.